The secret to saving and building your future. Welcome to our brief discussion on how to achieve financial independence. These are the topics na nais nating iparating sa lahat ng mga Filipino kahit saan mang sulok ng mundo na nakipagsapalaran. Number 1 is who is International Marketing Group, what we do here in IMG, and what's in it for me. How IMG can help you, and what are the top IMG membership benefits dito pag nag-member ka sa IMG. Before we start, papakilala ko lang muna ang sarili ko. My name is Don Emmanuel Nemenyo, or you can call me Don. Civil engineer by profession, former OFW from Taiwan, UAE, Libya, and Singapore. A husband and a father of 2 kids, an IMG member here in Singapore, and a financial educator. I am also a lot licensed agent sa IMG. Dito sa IMG, we have a financial literacy campaign. Our goal is to have a 30 million financially literate Filipinos by 2030. And these are the personalities behind our campaign na nagiging kasama na namin spreading the gospel of financial literacy. At ang pinaka-latest na sumama sa amin is no other than Cheryl Cosing, TV5 news anchor, a TV host, and a radio commentator. Who we are? We are one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services marketing companies in the Philippines. Presence in over 60 countries such as Hong Kong, Taiwan, Macau, Singapore, Middle East, and Europe. Our mission is to make a difference in the lives of many Filipino families by creating wealth for them so there will be no family left behind. Our vision is to bring financial literacy to 30 million families by the year 2030. Most companies have a mission and a vision. We are the only company that has a crusade. A crusade for changing people from spenders to savers. We want to deliver the world's financial wake-up call, and we are inviting you to join our crusade. Although we are not a recruiting company, pero minsan napapagkamalang kami dahil sa salitang recruit. Dito sa IMD, we recruit people to educate them how to save, invest for the future, and protect their families from financial worries para di na kailangan mangutang pag nangangailangan. And who we are not an insurance or investment company. We are an organization that offers total financial solution. A training school that provides a free financial education that will give you peace of mind. A financial peace of mind. Yung bang minsan pinipilit mo nang makatulog sa gabi habang nag-alala about sa kainin mo bukas or pang-tuition ng mga anak mo. At pagising mo sa umaga, wala pa rin nagbago. Kaya wala ka pa rin peace of mind. Your finances are not likely going to change kung wala kang gagawin. So how IMG can help you? IMG can help us by giving us peace of mind. Pag member ka sa IMG, merong free financial education. At pag nag-execute ka sa mga pwede mong matutunan, pag nag-attend ka ng mga free educational o free financial education ng IMG, sigurado magkakaroon ka ng savings and investment. And pangatlo, which is optional lang naman, pwede ka rin magkaroon ng extra income o part-time business kung gugustuhin mo. Because IMG offers a total financial solution. Meaning, you will learn not only on saving and investing, but in all other aspects of personal and family financial management, and that includes financial planning. These are the powerful strategic partners ni IMG. IMG has established agreements with many of the world's leading financial services companies to provide us a broad array of financial products and services. What we do, we help everyone build a solid financial foundation. Para siguradong may future ka, you must build your future in a solid ground. To build your future in solid ground, you must have a solid financial foundation, like building a house. You must build from the ground up. But how to build a solid financial foundation? First, you must have a health protection. Get a healthcare. Alam mo bang pwedeng malibas ang life savings mo o yung mga naipundar mo na pag na-hospital ka? Kahit isang beses sa medical emergency lang, kung nakapagpundar ka ng mga lupat bahay, bukid man yan or kalabaw man yan, pag wala kang perang pang-hospital, maibibenta mo yan pang-bayad ng hospital. Well, health coverage will never be enough. Mahalaga pa rin na meron kang sariling healthcare coverage. Kung sakali namang makarecover ka, mag-iipon ka na naman ulit para makapagpunta ng kalabaw halimbawa. At kung sakaling ma-hospital na naman, mauulit na naman ang dating nangyari. Kailan ka pa talaga makapagpunta? Ito pa, paano naman kung di ka makarecover at natuluyan na sa hospital? Then napapasok ang second step, ang life insurance. Second step, you must have income protection. Get a life insurance. Napaka-importante na meron tayo agad yan. Kaya nauna dapat yung dalawa na yan. Imagine, Kung ito yung family mo, ikaw yung breadwinner o nagpo-provide sa family mo, pang groceries, pang tuition fee, allowance ng mga anak mo, pambayad sa tubig at ilaw, pang-upa sa bahay at pambayad sa loan ng bahay, pambayad ng credit card, pambili ng gamot at para sa mga magulang mo. Paano kung biglang may mangyari sa'yo? Paano na ang family mo na sa'yo lang umaasa? Pero kung may life insurance ka, ito sana ang papalit sa'yo para di maghirap ang pamilya mo. May nagsabi dati sa akin ng isang young professional, di daw niya kailangan ng life insurance because wala pa naman daw siyang sarili pamilya. But what if may mga umaasa sa iyo, like yung mga magulang mo o mga kapatid mo na pinag-aaral mo, lalo na kung nag-iilid ka, and something happens to you in family mo. Tiyak may mga pangarap din yung mga anak mo. At paano na yung mga pangarap mo sa kanila kung biglang mawala ka? Pangarap mo sila nakapagtapos, di ba? Para saan pa yung araw-araw kang kumakain? Paano na ang mga pangarap na yan kung biglang may mangyari sa'yo? Ang life insurance ay hindi natin yan kinukuha para sa atin. Para yan sa maiiwan nating mahal sa buhay. Kaya huwag mong isipin na bakit ka kukuha ng life insurance kung di naman kikinabangan. Dahil kung totoong mahal mo sila, dapat insured ka. Diba? And third is debt management or manage your debt. Otherwise, debt will manage you. Ang utang ay parang anay yan sa financial house mo. Debts compound on monthly basis, while investment compound on annual basis. Kaya no matter how big is your investment, as long as you have debts, may utang ka, you will never become wealthy. Mas priority dapat natin to create a strategy na matanggal yung utang. And the only way to do that is to increase your income and get a financial mentorship. Here in ING, we provide continuous support, training, financial mentoring, and financial coaching. We can help you to earn more income para mas mabilis kang makabayad ng utang. And fourth is to create emergency funds. By the name itself, emergency. Hindi lang naman naka-ambulance ang emergency, pwede rin itong nawalan ka ng trabaho. Nagkaroon ka ng medical or dental emergency, biglang nasira ang bahay or nasiraan ka ng sasakyan. Hindi inaasahang travel expenses. Like kung kailangan mo umuwi ng Pilipinas kung nasa abroad ka, or kailangan mo umuwi sa probinsya mo dahil may emergency. At kung wala kang emergency fund, mangungutang ka na naman para makauwi ka lang. Bakit ka naman sa utang? At magkano ba ang kailangan o ideal amount ng emergency fund? If your family is not dependent much on your income, at least 3 to 6 months salary worth of emergency fund is okay. In case you are the sole provider or breadwinner, you should extend the amount to 12 months salary worth of emergency funds. Kapag nakapag-start ka ng emergency fund mo, pwede ka nang mag-invest. So, you need to invest now. Once you completed your protection block, you can start growing your money. And the best way to start is by investing in mutual funds, stock market, real estate, or business. Lahat yan pwede mong matutunan dito sa ING. Kaya to build your future, you must build a solid financial foundation. Here in ING, we help you build a solid financial foundation by building it right and building it strong. Start building your solid financial foundation now. Start building your solid financial foundation by getting a healthcare first. Nasa book natin yan dito sa ING. And here in ING, meron tayong partner na healthcare organization. Ito yung mga iba't ibang healthcare sa Pilipinas. At ang partner natin na healthcare organization ay si Kaiser International Health Group. Siyempre, mas preferred ko si Kaiser. Bakit? Hindi lang siya basta healthcare. Meron siyang libreng insurance at meron din siyang investment. Kaya siya nagiging first name in healthcare, lalo na sa akin at sa family namin. Meron sariling medical center ang Kaiser Healthcare at ang branches niya meron sa Metro Manila, Laguna, Metro Cebu and more branches soon pa. Pero kung sakaling malayo sa iyo ang mga branches na yan, huwag kang mag-alala. Mula Batanes hanggang Gulo. May partner na clinics ang hospital si Kaiser at pwede mong gamitin sa mga accredited hospital and clinics ni Kaiser. Kagaya sa Bulacan, marami ng accredited na hospital na accredited ni Kaiser, lalo na nung nag-request kami. Ito yung mga financial service company partners ni ING. Ang pinakauna na dyan pagdating sa healthcare ay si Kaiser Healthcare. Pero paano nga ba gumagana si Kaiser? Alam mo bang 7 years ka lang maghuhulog pero hanggang 20 years covered ang pampahospital mo? After 20 years, may option ka na to discontinue ang coverage ni Kaiser sa iyo at pwede mo na i-withdraw lahat ng unused funds mo para ma-close na ang account mo. Halimbawa, dito sa example natin na Q100 plan type, maaaring umabot na higit na 1,000,000 after 20 years ang fund mo kung sakali di mo ito kailanman nagamit dahil nanatili kang healthy. Pwede mo rin i-continue after 20 years of coverage hanggang 60 to 65 years old ka or until anong edad gusto mo at hindi na kailangan maghulog pa. Pwede ka pang mag-withdraw hanggang kalahati sa fund mo at continue ka pa rin i-cover ni Kaiser ayon sa fund na tinira mo at continue din ang interest nito. Pero kailan ba gagana si healthcare? Gagana siya pag nakaipon ka na ng 12 months na hulog. Pwede mo nang paggamit ang healthcare benefits mo. Number 1, free annual physical exam. Number 2, free dental health benefits. Yung number 3, number 4, and number 5, magagamit mo lang siya kapag na-admit ka. Ibig sabihin, pagpasok mo pa lang sa ospital, sagot na ni Kaiser yung 1,000 pesos per day mo na room and board. At meron kang nakafix na 60,000 kada taon sa loob ng 7 taon habang patuloy kang naguhulog sa fund mo. At magkakaroon ka rin ng basic medical health benefits. Pero paano naman halimbawa kung naka 2 year savings ka lang mahigit at may nangyari sa'yo? Huwag kang mag-alala dahil may free insurance coverage ka, insured ka. Gumagana ang insurance mo by the time na ma-approve ang policy mo. Halimbawa, waiver of installment due to death. Babayaran ng number 8 yung term life insurance coverage lahat ng mga natira mong premiums. At ang sobra, ma-receive o matatanggap ng beneficiary mo. At yung buong policy, mailipat na yung lahat sa beneficiary mo. At wala na rin huhulugan pa yung beneficiary mo. Number 7, waiver of installment and premiums due to total and permanent disability. Halimbawa, permanent disable lang. Ibig sabihin buhay. Ma-waive na lahat ng natira mong premiums. At kung permanently disabled ka at pag nagkasakit ka, mayroon ka ng magagamit na pang pa-hospital. At wala ka ng huhulugan. Ma-waive na yung installment and premiums mo. At kung sakaling ma-hospital ka, syempre, meron ka ng coverage pang pa-hospital mo kasi fully paid na yun. Diba? Yung number 9 naman, in case lang, talagang pinuha ka na ni Lord. At ang cause of death is accident. Ibig sabihin yan, makukuha ng beneficiary mo yung number 8 o number 9. Kaya times 2 ang marireceive ng beneficiary. Ganun din, yung buong policy mo, babayaran nyo ng number 8 na term life insurance coverage. Ibabawas lang doon kung ilang premiums ang natira bago may nangyari sa'yo. At meron din tinatawag na Family Assistance Service. Ang Family Assistance Service is just an assistance from Kaiser. Hindi siya kasama sa kontrata. Privilege lang siya sa ating lahat ng mga member ni Kaiser na kung sakaling may ma-hospital sa family mo, pwede mong ipahiram yung number 4 na 60,000 pesos per year sa loob ng 7 taon. Pero kung nakatapos ka naman ng 7 years of savings sa Kaiser account mo, tigil ng paghulog mo at mag-uumpisa na ang pagtubo ng fund mo starting on the 8th year. Yan yung tinatawag na growth period from 8th year to 20th year, right after ng saving period from 1st year to 7th year. Once you completed 7 years of saving period, magkakaroon ka ng certificate of full payment at pwede ka nang mag-claim ng Kaiser Health Card. Ganyan kaganda ang Kaiser Health Card natin dito sa IMG. At ma-access mo online lahat ng mga hinuhulog mo. Conveniently manage your policy, time saving, transparency, at 24/7 access sa information at marami pang iba. Pati na yung mga legal documents or mga contract mo. Ganyang kaganda ang Kaiser Healthcare natin dito sa IMG. Kagaya na lang ng isang kababayan nating OFW sa Saudi Arabia. Nung umuwi siya ng Pilipinas dito sa Pasig, di pa siya umabot sa bahay nila, natamaan siya ng ligaw na bala. Natamaan siya sa bandang mukha at labas sa kabila. Nabalitaan ng family friend nila na member ng IMG ang nangyaring disgrasya. Minanong niya yung asawa kung totoo bang na-disgrasya si Mang Ricardo. Sabi ng asawa, totoo daw. Magdadalawang buwan na, lubog na daw sila sa utang pagpapalibing pa lang. Sabi ng family friend nila na member sa IMG, punta kayo sa IMG office. Tingnan nyo kung active ba ang policy ni Mang Ricardo nung nangyari yung aksidente. Noong huling bakasyon pala ni Mang Ricardo, nag-open siya ng account sa Kaiser Healthcare. Hindi lang sigurado kung hinuhulugan ba niya bago siya madisgrasya. So pumunta si Mrs. at anak niya sa office ng IMG at Kaiser para ma-check kung active nga ba ang policy ni Mang Ricardo bago nangyari yung trahedya. Doon sinabi from Kaiser na active daw ang policy ni Mang Ricardo bago nangyari yung trahedya. Kung bibilangin natin sa remittance history ni Mang Ricardo, sobra 2 taon na pala siyang nakapaghulog. Ibig sabihin, active yung policy niya. Nakuha na ni Mrs. ang insurance proceeds para mabayaran ang mga utang nila. Nabayaran pa yung school tuition ni Bunso kaya tuloy ang pag-aaral ng anak niya. Nailipat na rin sa anak niya ang buong healthcare policy ng libre at wala nang hinuhulugan pa. Dito natin talaga masasabi na wala ka mang naipundar na bahay at lupa, wala ka mang nabiling sasakyan at perang naipon para maipamana, pero meron kang Kaiser account na anumang mangyari, sagot ka hanggang pagtanda mo at pwede mo pang ipamana. Pero paano kung di ka magkakasakit at di mo nagamit kailanman ang iyong policy? Mas magandang balita yan dahil pwede mong gamitin ang Kaiser mo as your retirement fund. Tandaan natin to, pag nag-retire ka na may pera, apo at anak, pag-aagawan ka kung sino mag-aalaga. Pero pag nag-retire ka na walang pera, apo at anak, pagpasapasahan ka kung sino mag-aalaga. At nangyayari na yun. Imagine kung may Kaiser Healthcare account ka, ito yung solid financial foundation na dapat meron ka. Halos lahat ng financial blocks, meron ka na. Utang na lang yung tatanggalin mo, solid na ang foundation mo. So magkano ba ang pwedeng ihulog para makapag-start ng mag-ipon sa Kaiser? Ito yung pwedeng magiging own saving program mo. At the age of 10 to 40 years old, pwede ka lahat mamili ayon sa loob ng 20% of your salary. But of course, the higher the premium, the higher the coverage. Ito yung plan type mo at ito naman ang monthly savings mo. Kung annual mode of savings ang pipiliin mo, meron kang 2 months worth of discount compare doon sa monthly mode of savings. Ito naman yung insurance coverage from Kaiser kung natural death due to illness ang cause of death. Pero pag accident ang cause of death is makukuha rin ng beneficiary mo ang accident insurance coverage equal doon sa term life insurance benefit. Bali doble ang marireceive ng beneficiary mo. Pero kung 41 to 50 years old ka na, di na available yung first 2 affordable premiums. At kung nasa loob ka na ng 51 to 60 years old, di na available ang first 3 affordable premiums para sa'yo. At kung unfortunately 61 years old ka na pataas, wala nang long-term healthcare available para sa'yo. Senior healthcare na ang pwede sa'yo. At pwede din naman natin may arrange to para sa'yo. Kung pagbabasihan natin ang K100 plan type na example illustration natin kanina, ang monthly premium contribution mo ay 5,882. At kung mag-annual mode of contribution ka, 50,821 na lang ang contribution mo kada taon, bawas na yung 2 months worth of discount mo. Sa halagang 6,382, kasama na ang 500 pesos na policy fee once a year, makapag-start ka ng mag-open ng Kaiser Healthcare account mo. Pero gusto mo pa bang magkaroon ng additional benefits? Free IMG and Kaiser Friends or free computerized eye exam, unlimited consultation sa Kaiser Medical Center, discounted medical services for immediate family members. Yan po ay kasama sa mga top membership benefits pag nag-member ka sa IMG. You need to register as an IMG preferred member and enjoy the discounts, benefits, and privileges. Ano nga ba ang makukuha ko pag nag-member ako sa IMG? You need to register to be a member. Be an IMG preferred member so you can enjoy the discounts, benefits, and privileges. Ano pa nga ba ang makukuha ko pag nagpa-member ako sa IMG? Ito agad ang makukuha mo. 1,000 pesos worth of shares of IMG Solibo funds as a panimula mong savings. Ikaw na yung magdadagdag. And a 50,000 Fidelity Life Insurance dagdag coverage na binibigay ni IMG. At meron pa, yung 100,000 personal accident insurance coverage na meron tayo lahat ng member. Once you attend the IMG financial trainings, you will learn the ideal level of investing na tinuturo dito sa IMG. Kung may healthcare ka na at kung gusto mong mag-level up, next naman, brief overview naman about mutual fund. Pag gusto mong matutunan ang mutual fund, dapat IMG member ka para ma-enjoy mo ang benefits of being an IMG member. Meron kasi ditong free investment seminars for IMG members only. At mutual funds at zero entry fee pag nag-open ka ng account sa mutual fund at member ka ni IMG. Bukod sa 0% entry fee, no charges din ang mga sales load fees. Pero load forever dito sa IMG. Lahat ng fund sold by Rambo Financials. How does a mutual fund works? Kung may savings ka, meron din ako, meron din yung iba, at nilagay natin yung savings natin sa isang mutual fund company. Ang tawag sa atin ay retail investor. Yung savings natin lahat nilagay natin under mutual fund company. Ang mutual fund company, mayroong professional fund manager. na nagde-decide kung saan i-invest ang savings natin. Pwede sa equity or bond fund or treasury bills. Pag kumita ang mutual fund, ang returns ibabahagi sa ating mga retail investor. Pero anong companies ba nag-i-invest ang mutual funds? Mutual fund companies invest in 10 companies of the top 30 biggest companies in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin, pag mag-invest ka ng mutual fund for as low as 1,000 pesos, you can also invest in top 10 biggest companies in the Philippines. Yes, in every investment, may kaakibat na risk. Pwede bang malugi ang mutual fund? Yes, pwede. Pero kung long-term investor ka, no need to worry. Normal naman ang akyat baba at akyat baba ng stock market. Kaya kung long-term investor ka, kikita at kikita pa rin ang investment mo. Ito yung wealth calculator natin dito sa IMG. Alam mo ba na kung nag-iipon ka ng for 1,000 pesos every month for 20 years, pwede kang magkaroon ng halos 1 milyon. At kung 2,000 pesos naman every month ang iniipon mo sa mutual fund kada buwan, pwede kang magkaroon ng 1 million in 15 years. At kapag 3,000 naman every month ang nilalagay mo sa mutual fund investment mo, pwede kang magkaroon ng mahigit 1.5 million in 15 years. Pero kung kaya mo namang mag-ipon ng 5,000 every month sa mutual fund, pwede kang magkaroon ng mahigit 1.2 million in 10 years. Paano kung kaya pong mag-ipon ng 10,000 every month? Halos 1 million din yan in just 5 years. Paano pa kung kaya mo mag-ipon ng 20,000 every month? Magkano yan? 5 or 10 years. May challenge lang dito sa mutual fund investing. You need to be consistent and disciplined na maghulog sa account mo para siguradong ma-achieve mo kung magkano yung goal amount na gusto mong pag-ipunan. With consistent and disciplined approach, you can create your own millions. Halimbawa na lang dito sa the best performing mutual funds ko. Ang pinakamababang nabili ko 5 years ago is 1.02 pesos per share. Imagine how much na siya ngayon na 2.10 per share na ang presyo mo. Halos may SSS contribution tayong lahat. Pero alam mo ba saan dinadala ng SSS ang contribution natin? SSS invest 3 billion in mutual funds. Anong mutual fund company? Twin Equity at Sun Life. Partner natin dito sa IMG yan. Another benefits of an IMG member, IMG Auto Program. Kung may plano kang bumili ng sasakyan at member ka ng IMG, sigurado magkakaroon ka ng discount. Tingnan mo to, bumili ng sasakyan, may discount siya 25,000. Ito naman, bumili ng same sasakyan, may discount siya na 140,000. Depende kasi yan kung saan dealer ka. Ito naman, bumili ng ibang sasakyan, naka-discount siya ng 90,000. At syempre, kung may sasakyan ka na at kailangan mo ng insurance ng sasakyan mo, dito ka na kumuha sa insurance partner ni IMG. Through Bolt Assurance, siguradong mas mababa ang premium na babayaran mo. Makakasave ka sa parehong coverage amounts sa labas ng IMG. Kung may plano ka naman kumuha ng real estate property sa SMDC Ayala at DMCI at member ka ng IMG, siguradong may discount ka. Pwede kang magkaroon ng discount na 70,000. For every worth 3 million property, pwede kang magkaroon ng discount na 70,000. Pero kung hindi naman ikaw ang kukuha ng property, pero may kakilala ka o kaibigan na gustong kumuha ng real estate property, pwede kang magkaroon ng referral incentives. Sa iyo mapupunta ang 70,000 pesos na discount, wala kang ginawa, nag-refer ka lang, kumita ka na. Another membership benefits pag member ka ni IMG. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ng lahat. Kung mahilig kang mag-travel at madami kang travel goals, mag-member ka ng IMG at pwedeng libre ang travel mo rito. Travel the world for free. Ito yung mga travel namin noong 2022. Meron sa London, meron naman sa Singapore at Malaysia. Noong 2023 naman, meron tayong travel sa South Korea, Taipei, Dubai at Vienna. Sa Bangkok, Vietnam at Hong Kong naman noong 2024. Sa 2025, mayroong Singapore at sa malamig na South Korea at sa Tokyo, Japan naman. Gusto mo bang makapaglakbay for free dito sa IMG? Alika, mag-join ka na. Ito yung team sa IMG family at makasama sa travel goals natin. Travel and learn in Ghana. From Malaysia, tumuloy tayo to Singapore na. And nakasama ko na rin sa Hong Kong ang family ko, kaya naipasyal ko sila sa Disneyland. Marami pa tayong mga top membership benefits dito sa IMG. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo. Patuloy na dumadami pa habang patuloy na dumadami ang mga company na may pag-partner sa IMG. Good news sa mga member na nasa ibang bansa. By international members, exclusive benefits ka, kagaya ko. May free worldwide protection tayo. Accidental death benefit coverage na 500,000. Burial benefit na 100,000 at accidental medical reimbursement benefit na 100,000. Acts of terrorism coverage na 600,000. Unprovoked murder and assault coverage na 600,000 at pinaka-importante sa lahat, meron kang accidental disablement benefit hanggang 500,000 pesos. Ang tanong lang, when will you start? Kailan ka nga lang ba mag-start? You have to start now. You will always have an excuse not to save and invest. No matter what your excuse is, one thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year. And no matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up and enter college and you will need money for his or her education. And no matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. You have to listen to your money advice. Money speaks only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. So you have to be a member. 3 steps to be a member. Register, be an IMG preferred member, and enjoy the discounts, benefits, and privileges. Ang membership value nito is $1,000 mahigit or mahigit sa 60,000 pesos. Pero pag nag-member ka sa IMG, ang international membership is around $190 lang. Ang exact amount will differ kung saan bansa exactly ang location mo. Kung nasa Pilipinas ka, ang preferred membership mo is 6,000 pesos. Just click the link sa ibaba ng video na to and you can find the button, Be an IMG member now, sa upper right corner para makasama ka na agad. Ang IMG membership registration link, ulitin natin, nasa baba. Nasa baba ng video na to and click Be an IMG member now. Step 2. Open an account for your level 1 investment which is your own Kaiser saving program. Just click the link sa ibaba ng video na to and you can create account by filling your details. Create account now so you can start building your solid financial foundation by securing your health protection and income protection. Based on the sample illustration natin kanina na K100 plan type, ang monthly saving installment mo is 5,882. At kung prefer mo ang annual saving installment na 50,821, discounted ka na ng 2 months nun. Ang term life insurance coverage ay 450,000 if natural death. If death due to accident naman, ang coverage na matatanggap ng beneficiary mo is 900,000 pesos. Double siya sa natural death coverage. Kaya just click the link below sa ibaba ng video na to and you can create a code by filling your details. Create a code now. You can start your Kaiser saving program. You can also start to enjoy the top IMG benefits. Just click the link sa ibaba ng video na to and you can find the button Be an IMG member now sa upper right corner para makasama ka na agad. Then step 3, here, help us to spread our mission to your families, friends, and to all Filipinos. As what Mother Teresa said, poverty is not made by God. It is created by you and me when we don't share what we have. So, how IMG can help us? Remember how IMG can help us. Kapag nag-member ka, you will have a free financial education, and when you execute yung mga matutunan mo sa IMG, you will surely have a savings and investment. Another way IMG can help us is when you share IMG to your family, friends, and to all our kababayan saan mang sulok ng mundo, you will earn referral incentives for extra income. Pwede mong gawing part-time business. Dagdag kita mo na rin yan. Ito'y optional lang naman kung gusto mo ng dagdag kita para pandagdag na rin sa ipon mo at mabilis ka nang makabayad ng utang mo kung may utang ka. Yes, excited ka na bang malaman paano magkaroon ng referral income? Papakita ko sa iyo ang overview kung paano. Ito ang compensation matrix na pwede mong i-avail sa IMG as a start. Once you're a member, entitled ka na of an opportunity to earn 20% referral incentives. Depende na sa position mo along the way. Yes, may promotion dito sa IMG kagaya ng sa company na pinagtatabuhan mo bilang employee. Iba lang dito sa IMG, ikaw mismo ang mag-promote sa sarili mo. Ito yung tinatawag natin na business ownership program para magkaroon ka ng extra income. 24,000 pesos income projections by helping one family per week. Kahit kaduduan mo pa lang, magkakaroon ka na ng 20% referral incentive sa bawat merong mag-open ng Kaiser account saving program. Halimbawa, may ni-refer ka, nakausap natin, at nag-open ng Kaiser saving program worth 30,000 annually. Meron kang 20%. So, ang 20% ng 30,000 is 6,000. Mapupunta sa iyo yan. Example, sa isang linggo, kada off mo may nakakausap ka at may isa kada linggo na nag-open ng Kaiser account. Kung kada linggo meron kang 6,000 sa loob ng isang buwan, pwede kang magkaroon ng 24,000. Extra income din yun. At kung gagawin mo kahit every weekend lang, magkakaroon ka ng yearly income na 288,000 Kapag gagawin mo siyang part-time business, meron kang chance na ma-promote to MD as in Marketing Director. Kapag nag-refer ka ng 9 at nag-open ng Kaiser Saving Program at 9 na nag-join sa IMG sa loob ng 90 days or 9 Kaiser 9 IMG membership in rolling 90 days, so 37% ng 30,000 is 11,100. At every week meron kang isang nag-join sa IMG membership at nag-open ng Kaiser Saving Program. In 1 month, meron kang 44,000 pesos extra income. At sa loob ng isang taon, meron kang sobra sa kalahating milyon na extra income. Paano pa kung ma-promote ka to SMD, Senior Marketing Director? Magiging 47% na ang referral incentives mo. Kapag SMD ka na, ang pwedeng pagiging income mo per month is 56,000. Kahit isa lang ang production mo kada linggo, at 676,800 sa isang taon na income. Part-time pa lang yan, magkano na ang income mo? Alam mo bang meron pang ibang extra income na pwede mong ma-avail bukod sa referral? Mag-register ka na sa IMG para malaman mo ay mapang-income na pwede sa'yo. Just click the link sa ibaba ng video na to and you can find the button Be an IMG member now sa upper right corner. Para masimulan mo nang kumita, mag-member ka sa IMG membership registration link na nasa baba ng video na to at click mo yung Be an IMG member now sa upper right corner. Thank you at maraming salamat at tinapos mo ang kwentuhan natin na to. Tara na, mag-member ka na. Click mo na yung link below para happy investing ka na. May your dreams come true and God bless.